Here's a list of the food items you'll be using for this DIY for cooking a keto meal. And you'll definitely need bacon grease. So we're going to preheat the oven at 350 and put the bacon in at 45 minutes. Then we are going to use bacon grease and butter, 1 stick of Irish butter, and preheat that on the stove for medium heat. And we're cutting up these onions, these green onions, up into little pieces. Green onions, if you've never had them, aren't as potent as traditional onions. But now we're doing the radishes. You want the radishes to be smaller than potatoes whenever you cut potatoes up. And make sure you cut the ends off of the radishes too, as well as take the seeds out of the peppers when you do the peppers. Peppers are optional, I would say, but I like the sweet taste of the sweet peppers when it's mixed in. Now when you do the cabbage, you want to do it in the long slices and then cut down the other direction so that it helps make it shred more whenever it's into the skillet. So when it fries, it will fall apart even more and it will cook more evenly. We're going to mix that together, put that in there with the salt or pepper. I usually just use the pepper with no salt and ranch dressing. We're going to mix that in, and about every 5 minutes or so you're going to want to stir that over. And when it starts to get brown, that's how you know that it's close to being ready. Now it's sizzling up a bit, and the bacon's about done and ready to go into there. We're going to slice it up with the scissors and put the bacon in. And while that is frying up a bit, I will go ahead and I'll take the bacon grease that's on the pan that we put the pan for the bacon, and we'll put the grease right into the mason jar. You could choose to close it right then and there if you want. It doesn't matter to me, but some people like to wait till it cools down so it doesn't break the glass. But I just like to put it on right away, and because it makes it easier to come out. And here's your finished product. Nice keto dinner, nice and healthy for those that are on watching their weight and what to eat. This is one of my favorite dishes as of late.